Okay, this is Dee again from the Fishing Gardeners. I just wanted to show you, if you want to grow something that's very easy, okay, is this plant right here. This is the pineapple ground cherry. Okay, it helps with cardiac health, and it helps with the good cholesterol, HDL, good cholesterol. It treats colds. One thing though, it couldn't be very invasive, so if you grow it, I suggest you grow it in a pot. So this is basically what it looks like. Those are when that turns yellow, that's what you eat right there. Okay, so what happens with these is, basically, I thought it was dead like a long time ago, but year after year, so this is the third year actually, I put it in a pot. What happens is when these fall off, these right here, these happen to fall off in their pot. If you don't pick them up right away, they will regrow back every year. So I would suggest you go ahead and place it inside a pot. And basically, to make it easier, if you get a pot about this size right here and place those in there, and they'll just come back every year. They're delicious, and they exactly what it is. The pineapple ground cherry, that's exactly what they taste like. They're very small. And also another thing is, if you put them in a pot like that right there, make sure you put a fabric underneath it or something to catch it, or maybe you put it on your patio where it drops, because if you put it where there's any type of grass, dirt, or anything, it's very invasive. I mean, it comes back every year, and I have not planted this crop right here. I have not planted it in 3 years. So every year it just comes back. I haven't tried to plant nothing, but what happens is, if you don't catch all of these, and it grows very, very vigorously, it'll just start dropping in there, and they'll just keep coming back over and over again. So you can see it. So, yes, you definitely want to put those in pots, because they're invasive. And like I said, I wasn't even trying to grow it. I didn't think it was any left in here, because I'm trying to grow the onions. And here they go. They just pops up again. So if you want a tasty treat right there, you can go ahead and grow those. That's another easy plant for you to grow. Okay. Enjoy your day. Goodbye.